the scales of justice are so beautiful that as soon as they start tipping in the right direction, there is excitement. There is excitement, and we already begin to feel that happiness, and we are given the results of it. And Allah says, فَمَنْ ثَقُلَتْ مَوَازِينُهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. Those whose good deeds outweigh the bad, they are heavier, they are the successful. He didn't say those who don't have bad deeds. You may have, you are a human being. You may have a few bad deeds. We're not condoning them, we're not encouraging them, but we're simply giving you hope to say, this is Allah. This is how He will judge. MashaAllah. So you have a lot of good deeds, heavy ones. And guess what? He gives you the book of good deeds. When you get your book and you see you've succeeded, you're excited like a child who's just got his results of a big examination, and he goes to his parents and the others and says, here's my announcement, I got all A's. MashaAllah. May Allah grant us straight A's. Ameen. Ameen. My brothers, my sisters, that is Allah. When the book of deeds is given to you, and when you see the result on the scale, the excitement is so great. It reminds me of a person, for example, whose examination paper is being marked and they've crossed the 50% mark. Now they know they've passed, then they cross 60, then they cross 70, then they cross 80. Now they know from the C it's a B, from a B it's an A, from an A it's an A star, and they're passing with distinction and they're excited. But the excitement already started at 50%. May Allah Almighty grant us that beautiful excitement. So that is definitely the mercy of Allah Almighty.